5. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants is a flexible side hustle where you help businesses with administrative tasks from the comfort of your home. This job can include scheduling appointments, responding to emails, managing social media, and more. It's ideal for those who are organized and good at multitasking. To start as a virtual assistant, you can join websites like Upwork or Freelancer where businesses look for remote help. Setting up a good profile is important. List the services you can provide, any relevant experience, and maybe even some testimonials if you have them. Being clear about what you can do helps attract the right clients. Finding your first clients can take some time, so patience is key. You might start by offering your services at a lower rate to build your reputation. Once you get a few clients and positive feedback, you can begin to charge more. Virtual assistants typically earn between $15 and $30 per hour, depending on their skills and the complexity of the tasks. Over time, as you build relationships with long-term clients, you can negotiate higher rates. Developing a good rapport with clients can lead to steady work and referrals, which can significantly increase your earnings. This role not only allows you to earn from home, but also gives you the experience of working with diverse businesses, making it a rewarding and potentially long-term career option. Thanks for watching.